How is it? Is it good?
It looks like paella in the Philippines. So
Yeah. And that's our avocado. That's my scallops. And we got a nice view out here. And that popular restaurant in the Larco. That's the shopping center out here at the mall. And this is the Larcomar, I think that's what it is. Mall. Good part of it is outside. And we ate right over there. Whoop. A very active place on a Saturday night. Right, hun? And they have all the name brands that Annalisa loves. Like Boss. What else? Levi's. So her eyes are drooling with all the brand names that she's seen. But we're not gonna, that's not why we're here. So we're going to go down to Love's Park next. So we're in this, still walking around the Larcomar. I can't even pronounce it right. Larcomar, there's the name right down there. I'll zoom in on that. Larcomar Mall. Nice mall. I like how it's right in the ocean too. So Anna decided to go into Kipling just to check things out. But her eyes are definitely watering with all the things that she wants to, all the brand names that she likes here. Beautiful mall. Looking off the balcony of the Larcomar. Nice view of the ocean here. That's beautiful. Long ways down to the road right below us, but a beautiful view of the Pacific Ocean. And the Cristo Moreno over there. And even here in Miraflores, they have some of the shops with the types of clothes that we saw in Cusco. Cool. I might have to get some extra last minute gifts. So we only have a few hours here in Lima, but we wanted to make sure we made it to Parque Del Amor. And there's the famous statue. Right there. And it's pretty busy here on a Saturday night. There you go. What do you think of that sculpture there? It's all right?
It's all right. It's great.
Can't really see the ocean back there, but you can see some of the waves. And a lot of people out here tonight. Saturday night in May. Beautiful. Probably the last Saturday night in May. Look at all these people out here. Definitely a busy place for young couples on an evening. The famous Love's Park, or Parque Del Amor in Lima. Busy place on a Saturday night. Lots of little lovebirds making out. People selling flowers. People selling locks that you can write your names on and lock it to a fence or something if you wanted to. Kind of an enjoyable place to be. You having fun? Oh, getting wet. And our hotel was nice enough to give us a breakfast because we were leaving before their breakfast was open at the hotel. And unfortunately, we're not going to have enough time to drink all of our liquids because that can't go through security. But look at that. They were even nice enough to cut the crust off of the sandwich they gave us. So we got a little chocolate, bar, crackers, apple, juice, and water. That was the Best Western Urban Larco.